When the world begins to fracture, most people never notice the moment everything changes. But they did. Huntrix wasn't chosen by fate. They were forged by it. Every fear they faced, every wound they carried, every night they wanted to give up, became the rhythm that pushed them forward. They learned that darkness isn't just an enemy. Sometimes it's a memory. Sometimes it's the part of yourself you're too scared to face. But together, they stepped into that darkness without looking back. And when the city trembled under the weight of unseen demons, their voices rose above the silence, clear, steady, and broken. Not as idols, not as legends, but as girls who refused to run. When the rest of the world closed its eyes, their blades carved through the shadows. Their hearts burned brighter than any flame. And for the first time, the darkness hesitated because it realized something terrifying. Light isn't soft. Light fights back. This is more than a battle, more than survival. This is the moment they discover who they really are. And this is what their truth sounds like when it finally breaks free.